This is where we're at with the wall. We're almost there. Simanjiro, Alala. Day 6 or day 7? I believe day 6. No, day 7. Dam work, we did it. Everything's been rebuilt, it's full of water, and that's it. We did it. Now we're gonna crack on with the tank on the side. You can see it appreciating the dam in its full element, and it's gonna be helping his family and generations to come. And so it's amazing. So thank you for following and channeling Mama Maji.
Mama Maji.
Charlotte.